Lie down in the most comfortable position for you. Make sure you're nice and warm and cozy. And remember, don't rush to relax. Take your time. And let your head fall back. It's truly, truly giving its heaviness to the floor. And as it does, automatically the neck relaxes. And then let all the muscles in your face melt around the eyes, behind the eyes, around the base of the nose, the cheeks and the mouth. All the muscles around your lips, inside the lips. Feel your tongue relax. And your jaw is so relaxed that it feels your lower teeth can move away internally from the top teeth and create a nice amount of space. And you feel your chest give up all holdings. It's a surrender of the heart. Almost as if the heart could say, I don't mind what happens next. Joy is my nature. Joy is who I am. And you feel your arms letting go of doing. These words are not for you to do. You're hearing them. And as you hear the words, things happen in the body. So give up doing and notice what happens to the arms. And then let go of the weight of your pelvis. As if the sacrum could leave a mark on the floor. And notice if your legs are willing to give up, holding onto the torso. And if the torso is willing to give up, holding onto the legs. It's as if somehow internally we feel that if we don't hold on to ourselves, that we fall apart. But it's the opposite. The less we hold on to different parts of ourselves, the more freedom, the more space, the more joy, the more love, and the easiest, the breathing. So now it's time for our Sankalpa, your intention. And you let it come, you repeat it, and then you allow yourself to slowly move. If you don't want to move, you don't have to. You can lie down where you are, and I can end the meeting and you can stay where you are. Wonderful.